Friends, in this video, I will discuss how we can make a circuit which can generate 10-minute delay using an E555 timer. Friends, I request you please watch this video till end and subscribe my channel for more videos. Friends, I will share the diagram of this circuit at the end of video. Friends, you can see in this circuit I use an E555 timer. This is push button for input. I also use 3 resistor of value 220 ohm, 1 resistor of value 10k. This resistor is 2.2 mega ohm and this is capacitor of value 1000 microfarad. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. Now I will test this circuit by connecting power supply to the breadboard. Friends, when I connect power supply to the breadboard, then yellow LED will be on. When I press this push button, then after 10 minutes later, red LED will be on. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. Now I will test this circuit by connecting power supply to the breadboard. Friends, you can see green LED is on, which indicate power in the circuit. Here red LED is on. When I press this push button, then after 10 minutes again red LED will be on. Friends, please wait for 10 minutes. Friends, you can see after 10 minutes red LED is on. I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.